pick up our keys today. Finally, we are moving in. Well, we're not really moving in today. We're just gonna pick up the keys. Our bed and everything's arriving today and the next 2 days. So we're just gonna go and set it up, and then on Sunday we're gonna move in for real. The quest for a cozy apartment setup led us to not only one but two Ikea adventures. The first trip was a classic New York experience, cramming onto the subway with my shopping list. But as anyone who just moved quickly learns, one trip to Ikea is never enough. So for round two, we decided to hop on the ferry, trading underground tunnels for stunning skyline views. 2 trips, 2 totally different experiences. Who knew that assembling furniture would be such a journey? After a successful trip to Ikea, we loaded up an Uber XL with our new furniture and set off for home. But first, we needed a little pick-me-up. It's really good. It's really good. Yeah. We just got back from Ikea. Some of the prices are actually much cheaper. We saw some rugs for normally $15 or $14.99 and it was only $140. Super awesome deal. Now fueled up and ready to go, it was time to tackle the real adventure. Assembling the furniture, time to make this place mine.
Came for us and showed us what we lost.
Moving from Germany with nothing but a few suitcases of clothes had stripped away all the familiar comforts of home, leaving me to start anew in this bustling metropolis. The prospect of setting up a place from scratch was both liberating and pretty daunting. A blank canvas full of possibilities, yet intimidating in its emptiness. If I'm honest, there's a profound sense of vulnerability in this process. Without the familiar scents and textures of home, I sometimes catch myself questioning my decision to move. Yet, with each small milestone, an assembled lamp and bed, I feel like step by step, I'll manage.
The low, the deep, I fall into the refuge that is sleep. There's nothing in my view but images of you.
As we unpacked boxes, assembled furniture, our stomachs began to rumble. With an empty fridge staring back at us, we realized it was time to venture out and discover the city's culinary options. No, it's fine. It's fine. We are on a hop on, hop off night tour.
Combination blind, out of reach for the city lines. This ain't where I belong.
This marks the official beginning of my New York chapter, and tonight we're witnessing a blue moon. This rare event feels like an affirmation that I'm definitely on the right path. As we drove by the shimmering lights of Manhattan, I feel like it's welcoming me with an exciting chapter filled with possibilities and memories waiting to unfold.
What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go. Burn all bridges. That's kind of out of place.
The next day, we said goodbye to the hotel room that had sheltered us for the past 9 days and officially moved into my new apartment. Time to transform this empty space into a place I can call home. After assembling the essential furniture, the hard work was done. We finally had a roof over our heads and a bed to sleep in. Mission accomplished. With the basics in place, now it's time to shift gears. I wanted to spend time with my sister and explore this new city. The last time we were living in the same continent or even the same time zone was when we were little. It felt really good to be in the same country as she is and just pick up the phone without doing the time zone math each time.
Everybody's worried, saying that I'm in too deep. Keep it all together, move on to bigger things. Chasing all the highs, 'cause I'm not giving up my dream. No, I'm not giving up my dream.
We discovered that certain Broadway shows offer rush tickets. The box office opens at 10 a.m., but there's usually a line forming way before that. You can secure great seats, often going for $150 or more, for just $49. Since these tickets are sold on a first-come, first-served basis, we decided to arrive 30 minutes before, and there was already a long line.
She helped write this, you think? Or so she helped write this play. Express espresso. N. We'll show for N. It's really cool that you can pre-order stuff though. It's really, really cool. Delivered. Yeah.
I've decided I'm going to dive headfirst into this new beginning. In just the first week, we've cleaned, settled into my new apartment, found 2 ways to travel to Ikea, assembled furniture, figured out the grocery situation, established our own list of restaurants, watched the Harry Potter musical, taken the night bus, and to top it all off, even witnessed the blue moon. They weren't kidding when they said life in New York moves fast. With each new memory we create, I can feel this place slowly becoming my home. I'm so grateful to have shared this significant transition with my sister. I can't help but dread the day that she has to leave. I look forward to settling into New York City and exploring what it has to offer. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!